Namaste. This is the class of pharmaceutical analysis. Preparation of standard solution. Solution of accurately known strength are called strength solution. A standard solution contain a known weight of reagent in a different volume of solution. Molecular weight and atomic weight of commonly used chemical has been shown in the table you can see here in 6.1. Next is molar solution. Molar solution is one which contain 1 molar weight of the reagent in 1 liter of the solution. Molarity is expressed as m. Normal solution. Normal solution is one which contain 1 equivalent weight of the reagent in 1 liter of the solution. Normality is expressed as n. Equivalent weight of the acid equal to molecular weight upon number of replaceable hydrogen ions. So you can see here the table in which it is divided in the 4 section. First is name, second is formula, third is molecular weight, fourth is equivalent weight. So you can check here the hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, potassium dichromate, sodium thiosulfate, sodium chloride, potassium chloride and iodine. Their formula with their molecular weight and their equivalent weight is given here. You can see and check. Next, most of the synthetic dye in generally used as indicator are organic substance of complex structure. Among the most reliable of these indicators are methylene red and phenolphthalein. Common indicator used in the animal nutritional lab, you can see here methyl red, methyl orange and phenolphthalein. So you can see here. Next, there are few standard solutions which are used for analysis of feed stuff. So you can see here then first is the preparation of H2SO4. Equivalent weight of H2SO4 equal to 49 grams. Specific weight is 1.84 gram per ml. Volume is 49 gram H2SO4. Then 26 ml, 26.6 ml. Concentration of H2SO4 is about 97% pure. Therefore, actual amount of concentration H2SO4 required for 1.0 liter of N by 10 H2SO4 solution, 100 by 97. So you can check and see here. So let's see its procedure. Take 2.74 ml sulfuric acid in a beaker half filled with distilled water. Transfer the content and washing to a volumetric flask. Ignite volume up to the mark. Shake well the titrate this solution with 10 ml of 0.1 Na2CO3 using mixed methyl orange as an indicator. Repeat the titration to get at least 3 concurrent reading. So for the standardization, you can see here the calculation. To prepare 1 liter of standard H2SO4, the volume of 0.10526 and acid required is 1000 into zero point 0.1 upon 0.10526 equal to 950 ml. Take 950 ml of acid and dilute it with 1 liter. Check it again with N by 10 Na2CO3 for 3 times. It must neutralize equal volume of the solution. Label it. So here we have finished this topic. For any query you can comment below. Thank you.